Welcome back to Cloud Oasis blog. My name is Hal Yaman, and this is part 3 of our Veeam Cloud Connect deployment, DR as a Service Cloudcast. On this session, we will deploy Veeam Cloud Connect portal, which will be used by tenant or service provider to initiate a full site failover in a case of a disaster in the production side and a connectivity loss to all the production side critical VMs. With this quick introduction, time to connect to our lab and start our Cloud Connect portal deployment. From our introduction session, we decided that Veeam Cloud Connect portal will be installed on the Veeam Cloud Gateway. So let's connect to the gateway server and start our installation. The installation of the Cloud Connect portal is part of the Veeam Enterprise Manager, which include in the Veeam installation ISO file that you can download from Veeam website. Let's mount the ISO file and start the setup process. Once mounted, we'll choose Setup, and then we will select Veeam Backup Enterprise Manager install. As usual, the process will include or will start with a license agreement, and then we have to enter the license file. And here in the program feature, as you can see, the Cloud Connect portal for service provider option is disabled by default. All what we need to do in this screen is just to enable it or choose this feature to be installed, and then next. Press install. Okay, the installation completed successfully. We'll press finish. The last step in this session is to connect the Veeam Cloud Connect portal to start communicating with the Veeam Cloud Connect server which we installed on the previous session. That will be done by opening the Veeam Enterprise Manager and browse to the configuration. And under the server, we will add our Veeam Cloud Connect server by using a DNS name or the IP address. In my case, I'm going to use the IP address of the server and provide the credentials. And the port, I will keep the default. Okay, as you can see, we add the Cloud Connect server to our Enterprise Manager, and now our portal or the Cloud Connect portal will be ready for access. To check our configuration, we will browse to the Cloud Connect portal by entering the URL, the local host with the default port number 6443. Let's confirm our installation by login with one tenant that I already created just to make sure that the installation and the configuration of the Cloud Connect portal went successfully. So I created a temp account, it's called VT1, provide password, and here we are, we can access it, and let's log out. In the future session, we will demonstrate how we will be able to use the Cloud Connect portal to initiate a full site failover. Till that time, thank you for joining me, and be tuned for the next session. Thank you.